Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the machine. Verify you're on 21H2 and confirm a recent backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, free about 20 GB and connect to power and wired internet to avoid interruptions. Next, open Settings Windows Update and click Check for updates. If 23H2 isn't offered, download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Make sure Secure Boot and TPM2.0 are enabled in firmware. These requirements prevent installation errors later. You run the Installation Assistant or Media Creation tool and choose Upgrade this PC now. This handles file migration and keeps apps intact. Make sure to temporarily disable third-party antivirus, pause BitLocker or suspend encryption if prompted, and close heavy apps to reduce conflicts. During the download and install phases, watch for prompts to accept licenses or choose preferences. The system will reboot several times. If setup pauses, don't interrupt power, let the process finish, and once the upgrade completes, sign in and let Windows install post-upgrade updates. Open Device Manager to update drivers and verify peripherals work. You should confirm Windows activation and check key apps for compatibility. Reinstall drivers from vendor sites if needed. Make a fresh backup now that the system is stable. If you encounter boot loops or major failures, use Settings System Recovery to roll back within the allowed period. If rollback fails, create a bootable ISO and perform an in-place repair or clean install as the primary troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.